So welcome to Gadget Hub login. So this is the login form, and what we're gonna do is create an account, full name, our phone number, our email address. Then we're gonna put the password, then create an account. Then to log in, what we gonna need is our number that we input on our sign register, then our password, sign in. So this is our Gadget Hub interface. In header section, we have the name, shop button, orders button, cart button, and our logout button. Then we can see here our featured products, which have its product name, its product value, and how many are in stock available. We can also see here an out of stock product. Then now to order, we need to click add to cart, select its quantity, how many you want to buy. Then we can remove it. We can also remove it from the cart. Then go back in browsing products. We order for quantity, continue shopping, add this one also, then proceed to checkout. Then here is our order summary. You can see here the item product, the price, quantity, and subtotal. Then confirm order and continue shopping. Now, to check in our admin, here is our admin portal. Then access here. And this is our admin dashboard, Gadget Hub admin. So we can see the orders last 7 days, the revenue overview, and top selling product. And now we have Logitech MX Master as top selling with over three orders. We can see here our inventory, the ID, the product ID, the image, product name, price, stock, ordered, and status. We can also add image of the products in here. Then we can mark it as sold out. For example, this one, I've already put this mark is sold out. So now we can see at we saw last time in our customer dashboard that it is marked as sold out. Then for our reports, so sales report, we have daily report, which is we have 6 orders, weekly report 11, monthly report 11, and we its total revenue. That's all for Gadget Hub. Thank you for watching.